Yeah, you put something in there to have that lighter color in it, or what?
Yes, I did mix different color braids.
Oh.
Yes, I have like the light brown and then the black. Hey guys, Wagwan, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little cute vlog. I thought it would just be nice to bring you guys along on my day today. I'm planning to head to the beach with my friends. I have to leave the house in like 30 minutes. I can't find my beach towel. I haven't gotten ready yet, and I look crusty, and I honestly need to just go wash my face and just get started with my day. But I'm going to bring you guys along and let's see how this works out. Yeah. Alright, face washed, skin clear. Now I'm just gonna put my contacts in. I hate putting my contacts in, they're the worst. I always have a hard time. Alright, so y'all, I finished getting ready. I'm kind of running behind now. I gotta get my food still. I made eggs and I'm going to like peel them. Boiled eggs. Oh, I dropped something. Okay, so lights off, lights on. And I got my bag here, by the way. I just got a bunch of stuff in there. I'm about to make these eggs, leave, and speed there. Alright, y'all, so I got my eggs. And we're leaving now. Sorry for the excess noise, but okay, bye. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to leave out now. Yeah, let's go.
I got that water, yeah, I got that water, I got that water. The engine too fast.
Alright, I'll catch you guys when I get to my friend's house. Sorry for yelling. Alright, y'all, so I just got to my friend's house, and I'm surprised I'm not the first one here. Well, I mean the last one. I'm always the last one to come. Oh my gosh. Isn't it? Yeah, I did get a case.
Oh, that's so cute.
Want to say hi?
Yes. Even though I look like crap.
I got that water, yeah, I got that water. I got that water, yeah, I got that water.
Oh shit, maybe no.
Yeah, I was like, did you go in the right lane? Because you're kind of like sweaty.
This is the one in the middle, is the one for both ways.
Yes, I was like, where are you going?
I got that water, no raindrop. You the one time that I'm
When I'm not the one driving, I'm like pressing my imaginary brakes. But then when I drive, I'm like putting people's life in danger. Yeah, me too. Alright guys, so we just got to Publix. I'm about to head in there and grab a little bit of snacks and whatnot. So, yes. Let's go.
Good morning, all you.
Good morning.
Your hair. Oh, how pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, you put something in there to have that lighter color in it, or what?
Yes, I did mix different color braids.
Oh.
Yes, I have like the light brown and then the black.
Oh, it's so pretty.
No, right?
How long does it take to braid it?
Oh, hours.
Does
this
it?
one took me about 5-6
And you
hours
did
to
it
do
yourself?
it. I sure did.
Smart girl.
Thank you. Aw.
You look so pretty, all of you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, honey.
Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna go with some fruits. I want fruit. I know. Okay, which one should we go with, guys? Eeny, meeny, miny. I think this one is cheaper and it has a thick one in it. So let's go with that. Yeah. Water, vitamin water. Where do they have that?
Like little Snowies that you can eat, like Snowies. Like it comes in like little snack pot. Usually it's inside.
Snow peas.
It's kind of like
Oh, you mean like the sweet peas?
like something like that.
They,
Yeah.
That they kind of eat it out of the shell?
Yes.
Maybe.
You can eat it just the whole thing.
Oh.
Not even like. I eat it to cleanse my palate.
Oh, it's the cabbage thing.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's kind of like it's spicy. No. Well, it can be.
Because I remember one of my coworkers was like talking about kimchi. It's like, did you make it? Because I was talking about making crab legs, and she's like, oh, do you know how to make kimchi? And I was like, what's that?
It smells. That's how I'm telling you.
But it's fermented cabbage. Like, why wouldn't it smell?
Yeah.
Cabbage smell by itself.
Oh yeah, but it smells like even more. When you make it, it makes the whole house smell.
Damn. No, thank you.
Yeah, you want them gel, didn't you? Those are the ones you're looking for, right on the bottom?
Yes, thank
Okay.
you. Alright guys, I found them, so...
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Gee, I got more problems than the human in me. Bling bling, and I saw them, that's the goddess in me. You gonna have that bitch, nothing new. Help you with your career, just a little.
Guys, so we just got to the beach. We're kind of walking down towards the final spot. So yeah, ooh, it's really windy and hot. Woo. I know. Okay, so I'll catch you guys up in a little bit. After all that work, running back and forth, this is our cute setup. We did it. Yes, we sure did it. We sure did it. We did that. All right. I'm about to go in. So. So hey y'all, just giving y'all a really quick update. I'll insert some clips where you're just in the water. The water's pretty good and it was warm and fun. Girl, turn on music, girl. Oh, I was like, girl, why you stop the music? But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on. I'm just eating like cantaloupe. I already finished like the entire package, like what we got earlier, and I ate a muffin already too. But that's about it. It's really windy, so I hope the audio isn't too messed up, but yeah. All right, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright y'all, so we're like rushing. I'm freaking like sweaty and I look crusty and ugly. But we're trying to get food. So we do anything for food here. We do anything for fun. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Alright y'all, so you can finally sit down now. Thank you very much. Okay, yeah. Vitamin water, y'all. And my wet wipes. Can't go without them. To what we're eating. Alright, so we got the tacos here that I got right here. And then her what is that, the nacho?
The nachos, yeah.
Yeah.
Gnarly nachos.
That's really good. I know, and look at that.
I want to take a picture, a video of you guys. That looks disgusting. It's okay. It'll be quick.
Yes, y'all. Okay. I'm living for these foods. Like,
wait.
Alright, y'all. So we're heading out, and let me show you guys how cute this place is. Like an overview. But isn't that cute? I think it's really cute. And then you have like the trees here in the greenery. It's really nice. They're staring at me. Don't stare at me, guys.
I hate vlogging in public.
Honestly, I feel like
feel so awkward.
this is like only my second time vlogging, y'all. And people are staring at me and people come up to me and it's been different. A lot different experience. Yeah, it's very normal over there. I feel like they just do it and it's whatever.
Yeah.
But in here, it's like people are looking like, what is she doing? She thinks she's all that.
Yeah, like, I just...
All right, y'all. Oh, dang, girl. Oh, I cannot do this. You can. Oh shit.
Back more.
So gotta do a 6-point turn right now.
Yeah, that.
Oh my god, I cannot do it again. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was a pretty good day, wasn't it? It was, so I hope you guys like this. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up, and a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos like this. And I hope you can hear me right now because it's very windy. Alright, bye guys. Peace out.